automobile staff and contributors gather in Las Vegas to test drive and evaluate the best cars the past 12 months had to offer. To be invited to Automobile's annual shootout means a car is already a winner. But over the course of 4 days of testing, we crowned 8 of these new vehicles as the ultimate all-stars. This is what it takes to make the cut. Our crop of contenders hailed from around the world. We tested everything from luxury sedans and capable crossovers to powerful coupes and exotic supercars, and all of them exceeded expectations. The group hit the track at Speed Vegas to see what these cars were made of. Automobile staff and contributors evaluate speed, handling, and overall performance as each car tackled the course.
This is a very, very capable car. I can see why this thing was under 7 minutes at the Nürburgring. This is a nice piece. What a nice car. Gosh, it's so easy to drive. I mean, it's so easy to drive quick.
That's it, Andy. Don't be shy.
The tires are warming up a little bit now. We're getting a little bit of grip. It's not a luxury sedan in the sense that it's comfortable, which is true. It's pretty stiff for a big car, but it's actually getting around here fairly well. I'm actually very impressed.
I think the Ford GT really deserves all-star status because it's just so exceptional. It's such a bold take on the supercar.
This is the Civic Type R, and this is a fantastic car.
I think one of my biggest surprises here on the track was the Audi TT RS. Way more capable than I expected it to be.
Porsche 911 GTS, fabulous engine. The new engine, the new turbo, falls really well. This is probably the best value 911 you can buy.
The Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. What a car, man. It handles like a go-kart, but you can carry 4 people, even 5 in a pinch. This is Italian artistry.
We are in the Mount Charleston area outside Las Vegas. It's my first drive in the new Honda Accord. So yeah, it's quiet and smooth. I'm in 5th gear, flooring it up a hill right now from about 2,500 RPMs, and it's pulling up nicely.
While technical specs are important, All-Stars is equally about the challenging quest to identify the emotion, heart, and soul behind these fantastic machines.
Well, Mark, I think we can both agree this Lexus LC 500 is a stunner. This is like the best looking Lexus ever made, in my opinion.
The 2017 Audi S4. It's probably one of the best blends of daily usability and performance that you can get on the market in that segment.
I've just driven the new Land Rover Discovery for 2018. It's bigger, more plush, and a new turbo diesel that gives you a ton of torque. This is the one you want if you're going to do some rock crawling.
The Volvo V90 is bringing station wagons back, and that's something that we can all love, especially people who love to drive cars and who want a little more utility to go with it.
The Honda Type R is such an amazing vehicle. It's got tremendous amount of grip mechanically, and it actually has a little bit of downforce. And I'm in comfort mode. It's certainly not as soft as a Civic Sport by any means, but it's very, very comfortable.
Everyone had their opinions. Debates and disagreements were hashed out. But when all was said and done, a clear picture emerged. Here are your 2018 Automobile All-Stars. The Honda Civic Type R. The Lexus LC 500. The McLaren 720S. The Honda Accord Sport 2.0 Turbo. The Volvo V90. The Mercedes-AMG GTR. The Porsche 911 Carrera GTS, and the Ford GT. This was an incredible week filled with amazing cars from across the globe. We can't wait to see what the future holds, but it won't be easy to top this year's Automobile All-Stars.